One of the basic principles in Forex trading is that currencies are always quoted in pairs, with the first currency being called the base currency and the second the quote currency, also known as the contra or the counter currency. Let's use euro dollar as an example, as it's the most traded currency in the world. The euro is the base currency and the dollar is the quote currency. If a Forex trader expected that the value of euro would rise against the US dollar, meaning that the US dollar would fall in value, then they would buy euro dollar. Similarly, if they expected the rate of the euro to fall against the dollar, meaning that the US dollar will rise in value, then they would sell euro dollar. You can buy a pair at the ask price and sell at the bid price. The difference between the ask price and the bid price is the spread, and this is how AKFX and other market participants generate their income.